that Ford took off on his ass. Alright, let's go. So we got an amazing video. We have two similar cars, different engines, different styles, but I'm taking my M4 over anything. Shout out to Auto Glory, shout out to the drivers. These are amazing races, and we always get great content out of this, and I always can say I get great content too, and I would like us to get to pump up the viewers and the subscribers. Yes, that's great, you know, it is about the numbers, but you also want it to be legitimate numbers, you know, people that actually support you. So, you know, thank you, and let's get into this. Fair use. Let's go.
Thanks for joining in. So I got a pretty exciting matchup for you guys today. I got a classic BMW versus Mercedes race for you. On the left, I got a 2021 BMW M4 competition.
Boom.
Now this car is equipped with the JB4, and it's running on map 2 on 93 octane. Now this is a rear-wheel drive model. Now these cars weigh around 3,800 pounds, and I'm assuming this car is probably making somewhere around mid 500s to the wheels.
Yep.
And on my right, I got a 2019
C63
Mercedes C63S AMG.
Yep. Pushing like what, 6
Now
to
this
the
car
wheel?
is a stage 2 car. It's got downpipes, intakes, and a custom 93 tune with a CPC and TCU tune.
Wow. Oh, so this is really loaded.
Now these things are also rear-wheel drive, and he is running on
I thought that's all wheel.
Sport 4S tires.
I thought these are all
These
wheel,
things
right?
are actually they weigh very similar to what these M4s weigh. They weigh around 3,900 pounds.
See, very similar cars.
Made 580 on the dyno, and it made a little over 700 pound-feet of torque.
Okay, wow.
So it does have the horsepower advantage, but
The 4 is gonna.
I know these new G80s, they run really hard.
Exactly.
So we're definitely gonna find out how it goes. So I won't be going in any of these cars, so I'll be throwing the GoPro on top.
Oh, for
So
sure.
both cars will be taking one passenger. So let's see how it goes.
Alright, here we go. I wish he was in the car because it's way better. Alright. You can't really hear it, but wow. Hey, that 4 is keeping up with this C63 like it's nothing. Damn, just on a map 2 tune and nothing else? Wow, this is why I told you, this is why I'm picking a 4 over the world. And then I think he slowed down. Yeah, oh, this 4 is strong, I'm telling you. Wow. Woo! This is why BMW is a champ. It really is. I mean, Benz, I do love it, but as for speed, yeah, BMW is just raw. Alright, let's see. Hey, the C63 owner looks cocky. Looks like he like, I'm finna win. He like, bet. Watch this time. Well, they get into a 50 or 60 roll, yeah. That Ford took off on his ass. Woo! But that seat might catch up, but I don't think. Whoa! These G80s, like you said, they're quick. Wow, and it's not just quick, it's powerful because it's at top end and it's just pulling off. Damn. That's why I told you, I'm taking this over anything right now. And this is why I like to watch these races because they're legit. And I don't know, that was actually not fair if you want to really compare it because that C63 had all them upgrades compared to a stock M4, pretty much just what a map 2 10. Wow.